Welcome back to my channel JBR Online Classes. Please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.
Hello everyone. Today I am going to start chapter 18 quadrilateral. So in this chapter you are going to learn two properties of quadrilateral. Here properties number 1. The sum of the angles of a quadrilateral is 360 degree. That means if ABCD is a quadrilateral, then here the four angles, first one, second one, third one, fourth one. Now the summation or the addition of these four angles equal to always 360 degree. That is the first properties. Now the second property is here, if the sides of a quadrilateral are produced in an order, okay, all the sides. So here the first side produced here, second side will be produced, third one also, fourth one also. Then the sum of the fourth exterior angles, this is the first one, this is the second one, third one and the fourth one. These four exterior angles are also the sum of the four exterior angles is 360 degree. That means the interior four angles equal to 360 degree and the exterior four angles equal to also 360 degree. Now I am going to solve the exercise problems. So sum number 1. In sum number 1, the three angles of a quadrilateral are 110 degree, then 71 degree and the third one 70 degree. Now you have to find out the fourth angle. Now all of you know that the summation of interior four angles that equal to 360 degree. So here the sum of three angles and you know the sum of three angles. Now you have to find out the fourth angle. So just 360 degree minus 110 plus 71 degree plus 70 degree. So that equal to 360 minus, so 1, 7, 7, 14, 15 and 2. So 251. So after subtract 0 minus 1, 9. So here 50, so 1. So 109 degree is the fourth angle. Okay, now sum number 3. In the adjoining figure, P is a point on the interior of angle AOB and angle AOB, that means angle AOB, so this one equal to 40 degree, it's given. Now if PM perpendicular on OA, that means this angle equal to 90 degree, and PN also perpendicular on OB, that means this angle equal to also 90 degree. You have to find out the value of this one, that is value of angle MPN. So here OMPN is a quadrilateral. So that means the summation of all four angles that equal to 360 degree. So angle MPN equal to 360 minus 90 plus 90 and plus 40 degree. So that equal to 360 minus, it's 180 plus 40, so it's 220. So here the final answer 0, 4, 1. So 140 degree. That is the answer. Now sum number 4.2. In sum number 4.2, this is a given figure. Now in this figure you have to find out the value of x, y and z. So in this figure, in the upper part is a quadrilateral, the lower part also a quadrilateral. Now this sign means 90 degree, so that means this one 90 degree, this one also 90 degree. Now we have to find out the value of x and y. So here in the upper quadrilateral, this 122 degree, 50 degree, 90 degree. That means you have to find out the value of x, as the summation of all angles equal to 360. So 360 minus 122 plus 90 plus 50. That means 360 minus 262 and it becomes 98 degree. So here x equal to 98 degree. Now here if this angle equal to 50 degree and it's a straight line, that means this angle equal to 180 minus 50, so that equal to 130 degree. Okay, so that equal to 130. You have to find out this one and this one and this one. So here 90 degree. Now if x equal to 98 degree, then y equal to 180 minus 98. So 180 minus 98, that equal to 82 degree. So here y equal to 82 degree. Now z equal to 360 minus 130 plus 90 plus 82. So 130 plus 90 plus 82, that equal to 302. So 360 minus 302, sorry, it's 2, that equal to 58 degree. So here x equal to 98, y equal to 82 and z equal to 58 is the final answer. Now sum number 5. In sum number 5, find the measures of the 4 angles of a quadrilateral if they are in the ratio 3:5:7:9. Now all of you know the summation of all angles that equal to 360. So here the first angle equal to 360 into 3 by, now sum of the ratio. So 3 plus 5 12, 12 plus 3 15, 15 plus 9 24. So write down here 24. Then next one, second angle equal to 360 into 5 by 24. Then third angle equal to 360 into 7 by 24, and the fourth angle equal to 360 into 9 by 24. Now 24 cancel out with this one, it becomes 15. Here also 15, so it's 45 degree, it's 75 degree. Here 135 degree, sorry, it's 105, not 15, it's 105 degree, it's 135 degree. So these 4 angles are the angle of the given quadrilateral. Okay, so now sum number 6, that is the last sum in this exercise. I hope you love my video, so please subscribe my channel and share this video with your friends. So now here the given diagram, here A B C D. Okay, A B C D is a quadrilateral. Now AO, here AO is the bisector of this angle. That means this angle equal to this one, as AO is the bisector. And here BO is the bisector, that means this angle equal to this one. Here angle C equal to 70 degree, angle D equal to 50 degree. You have to find out the value of this one, that means the value of this angle. Now as A, B, C, D are the 4 angles of this quadrilateral, so angle A plus angle B plus angle C plus angle D, that equal to 360 degree. So here angle A plus angle B, now value of angle C 70, value of angle D 50, so that equal to 360. So here angle A plus angle B, now 70 plus 50, that equal to 120, so 360 minus 120, and that equal to 0, 4, 2, so 240 degree. So that means angle A plus angle B equal to 240 degree. Now this is the full angle A, this is the full angle B. Now if you consider this one, so this is the half of angle A, and if you consider this one, so this is the half of angle B. So as half of angle A and half of angle B, sorry, half of angle A and half of angle B, that equal to half of 240, so that equal to 120 degree. Okay, so that means this one and this one, so if you named it one angle OAB plus angle OBA, that equal to 120 degree. The summation of these 2 angles equal to 120 degree by this equation. Now here AOB is a triangle. Okay, now in a triangle the summation of 3 angles that equal to 180 degree. So here the 3 angles and the addition of these 2 angles equal to 120. So that means the value of this angle, angle AOB, equal to 180 minus 120, and that equal to 60 degree. So 60 degree is the answer.